What if I told you that most people are using honey in a way that destroys its medicinal power? Some even turn it toxic without realizing it. And yet, in Ayurveda, honey is considered one of the most intelligent and a potent natural medicine ever found. Hello everyone, Dr. Neha Garg here, an integrative physician and your wellness guide here at Healthy Buddha, where ancient Ayurveda meets modern science. Today we are talking about honey, not as a sweetener but as medicine. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly when to use it, how to use it, and the mistakes to avoid to preserve its medicinal benefits. Why is honey considered so powerful in Ayurveda? For Ayurveda, it has three unique qualities which makes it extraordinary. The first one is that it reduces kapha or has a mucolytic action, meaning it can help clear mucus, heaviness, congestion, and sluggish metabolism. Second, it has something called lekhana or scraping property. This means it can help clear sticky buildup like thick phlegm which is sticking, or the metabolic residue or ama that is sticking inside the internal organs. And the third and most fascinating quality is its Yogavahi quality, which means it acts as a carrier for delivery of herbs and nutrients to specific deep tissues, especially the muscle tissue. Modern medicine has also confirmed that honey is antimicrobial, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant rich, and improves wound healing. Now let's look at some real life indications where you can use honey as your home medicine. Indication number 1, lingering cold with thick mucus. You're not acutely sick, but your nose remains blocked. Your throat feels coated, and that thick, sticky mucus just keeps lingering around. So easy solution, take 1 to 2 teaspoons of raw unpasteurized honey with either 1/4 teaspoon of dry ginger or 1/4 teaspoon trickatu powder. You can take this 2 or 3 times in a day. Honey liquefies the mucus, ginger reduces airway inflammation, and trickatu also has a scraping action on thick mucus. You can watch our previous video on the 3-spice wonder called trickatu to know about its unique properties. Indication number 2 is minor burn in the kitchen. You accidentally touch a hot pan and get a superficial burn. Immediately apply a thin layer of raw honey over the burnt area and you will avoid any blistering. Do this before putting it even in cold water. Why does this work? Honey has wound healing properties and maintains a moist healing environment. It also promotes tissue regeneration. Ayurveda describes this property as sandhana, tissue binding and repair. Indication number 3 is feeling heavy and sluggish. After travel, after overeating or indulging in too many refined carbs, you feel metabolically stuck. In Ayurveda, this is Kapha accumulation. One simple morning remedy is 1 teaspoon raw unpasteurized honey in lukewarm water with a few drops of lemon or lime juice. Important to note that you only use mild lukewarm water and not hot water. Indication number 4, chronic muscle aches or frequent muscle spasms. Honey has a drug delivery or Yogavahi action towards the muscle tissues. So if you're taking any supplements such as vitamin D, omega-3, CoQ10 or protein supplements, then take those along with 1 teaspoon of honey in lukewarm water to help deliver these nutrients to the muscles. Let's look at 2 common mistakes which are to be avoided. Mistake number 1 is heating honey. Ayurveda strictly warns against heating honey. When overheated or pasteurized or cooked, honey loses its medicinal benefits, its enzymatic action, and it may even form toxic compounds with certain foods. Modern chemistry confirms overheating honey increases the HMF or hydroxymethylfurfural, which can have toxic effects in high amounts. So do not add honey to boiling hot water, hot teas, and do not cook your meals after adding honey. Add it to your drinks or tea when the temperature is only slightly higher than your body temperature. Mistake number 2 to avoid is using honey like sugar. Honey is medicine, not an unlimited dessert syrup. It should be used therapeutically and in small amounts. Overuse can aggravate vata dosha due to its drying quality, especially in dry climates like California. This brings us to our final takeaway. Honey is a natural mucolytic, a wound healer, a metabolic supporter, and a herbal delivery enhancer. It is one of the rare substances that Ayurveda classifies as both food and medicine, but only when used correctly. So next time you reach for that golden jar, ask yourself, am I just sweetening my tea or am I activating a home medicine? If you found this helpful, then please don't forget to like, subscribe and share to the Healthy Buddha channel, where we decode ancient remedies with modern science. Till next time, stay informed, stay balanced and stay golden.